Hello everybody, welcome back to Financiable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Danske application on your mobile phone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Play Store application and in the search box type in Danske application or Danske Bank, or you can just type Danske, and from the appear result click on the first option and there you can see install button. Click on it and the installation process may take few times. Once the installation process is over, you can click on open and launch the app. So that is how easily you can download Danske application on your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.